Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up and bind DSJ Wallet. Before you can withdraw or move any funds from DSJ Exchange, you need to bind a wallet address. This step is not optional, it's what tells the platform where your money should go. And this is also one of the most sensitive steps in crypto, because if you bind the wrong address or the wrong network, your funds can be lost permanently. Go to your external wallet. This could be any crypto or exchange wallet. Inside your wallet, click Transfer. Then select Receive Crypto. Now, you're generating the address where your funds will be sent. Select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. For this example, we chose Ethereum. Important clarification: the asset you choose determines the network and address type. Always match the asset and network later. Here, copy the address shown. If you make any mistakes here, your funds will be lost. Now, go to the DSJ Exchange app and log in. Then click on Assets. Tap Withdrawal next. Since no wallet is bound yet, you'll see an option to bind it. This happens because DSJ requires you to register a withdrawal address first. Change the currency from USDT to Ethereum. This step must match your wallet. If you copied an ETH address, select ETH. Paste the address you copied earlier into the field. Why this matters? This links your DSJ account to your external wallet and ensures funds go to the correct destination. Now tap Submit. What happens next? Your wallet gets bound, linked, and you can now withdraw to this address. To summarize, setting up and binding a DSJ wallet involves getting your receiving address from another wallet, going to the withdrawal section in DSJ, selecting the correct currency, pasting the address, and submitting it. This links your account to a destination wallet so you can safely withdraw funds. And that's how to set up and bind a DSJ wallet. This might seem like a simple step, but it's one of the most important parts of using any crypto platform. Take your time, double check everything, and never rush this process, because in crypto, mistakes here are permanent. Once your wallet is properly bound, everything else becomes much easier and safer. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.